Hello, everyone. This is Attorney Connie Kaplan. I am an immigration attorney here in Fort Lauderdale. We help people make the United States their permanent home. So, first things first, it's Florida, and it is snowbird season, which means we have people from all over the world traveling here as tourists. If they have been traveling here on ESTA, then they typically have a 90-day period during which they can do their tourist things, and then they have to leave the country. So if you arrived recently, say February, March, and all of a sudden you cannot leave because your country would not allow you back in, or you may not travel back without a letter from a physician stating that you do not have coronavirus, which no physician in the United States will give you, then we have to worry about what happens when those 90-days expire. And if that is the case, how do we prevent you from falling out of status? Okay. There is a process called satisfactory departure, actually, and you have to file for extension of your ESTA with the Customs and Border Patrol, and it must be requested before expiration of your status. So let's say you arrived March 1st and your status expires June 1st or May 31st. You cannot go now and apply for the satisfactory departure, because by that time, CBP will interpret that the situation may change and you may be able to leave. Therefore, they will not allow you to file more or to ask for an extension before longer than 14 days prior to the expiration. So in this scenario that we described, if it is March 1st to June 1st, you will not be able to apply for this before, say, May 16th. Okay. Each port of entry makes its own rules, and some still require appearance in person. Kennedy, for example, JFK, the procedure is different than Miami. Miami, up until last night, they required you to appear in person if your ESTA was expiring and you needed to apply right now for an extension. As of last night, they changed the procedure a little bit and will consider on a case-by-case basis those who contacted them via other means, not in person. I just thought it was ludicrous that they requested during the coronavirus that you appear in person at an airport, but we'll go with what the government says. And that's ESTA alone. Different statuses, different rules.